Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Mac on Windows 11. Start by backing up your PC and freeing at least 50 GB of space, then choose an approach, tweaks, apps, or virtual machines. I'll walk you through simple interface changes, app recommendations, and how to test a virtual Mac safely. Stay cozy and follow each step slowly so you don't lose data or settings. In this video, I will explain how to get Mac on Windows 11. First, enable virtualization in BIOS and confirm your PC meets hardware needs. I recommend allocating 8 GB RAM and 50 GB storage for a smooth virtual Mac experience. Keep a complete backup and create a restore point before installing any major tools. These precautions reduce risk and give you room to experiment without permanent changes. In this video, I will review how to get Mac on Windows 11. Quick recommendation: if you're juggling tools and snacks while following this guide, grab those leak-proof containers to keep your workstation tidy and your lunch safe. They are perfect for busy setup sessions. If you want the exact product and deals, check the description for the link. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you get Mac on Windows 11. Start by installing VirtualBox or VMware, then create a macOS virtual machine with 8 GB RAM and a 50 GB virtual disk. Add a dock emulator and custom icons to match Mac visuals, and install input drivers for smooth mouse and keyboard behavior. Finally, test audio, networking, and screen scaling so the setup feels natural for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.